picture is, oh. I was going to say,
oh my goodness.
I was going to say, whatever the picture is, I'm not going to moan about it.
And we called you bluff there.
You did. OK, I'm sure you're going to cheer us up. I'm sure you're going to make it all sound wonderful anyway, Helen.
I hope so, Naga. Enjoy. Have a lovely day. This is the picture that shows the cloud at the moment, but I have to say a lot of it is high cloud. So let's run that sequence through, because there is a little thicker cloud in the northeast of England and eastern Scotland bringing some rain, but you can see actually there are more holes being nibbled in that cloud already. So it was a good news picture. It was showing you there's more sunshine coming through. A little bit of mist and fog around this morning, but not as much as recent mornings. And gradually as the day goes on, hopefully we'll see that rain in the northeast fizzling out. We do have rain approaching from the northwest, mind you. That'll be probably after dark for most. There'll be the odd shower elsewhere across western Scotland and into Northern Ireland. There's the remnants of that weather system, but behind it some drier, brighter weather already coming in across the east coast of Yorkshire. More sunshine coming through after the morning high cloud across eastern and central areas. A little bit of mistiness, as I say, still around, the odd pocket of fog. But it's an improving picture. It shouldn't be as dull as yesterday across the southwest and South Wales, and we'll see more sunshine generally. If you're sheltered from the breeze in West Wales, it'll probably feel quite pleasant, but the breeze rather is starting to kick in. Looks at set fair for France's match against Ireland this afternoon for rugby union. It should be fine up in the north for Northern Ireland's match against Finland football-wise, but some really nasty weather across Eastern Europe. Sochi hopefully stays dry, just the slimmest chance of a shower. But you may have noticed low pressure across Iberia. So I think for Scotland's game against Gibraltar for the European qualifier, I wouldn't like to rule out some showers around in the area. Cross fingers will escape, but there will be some nasty weather around. There'll be some rain coming in across Scotland itself during the course of the evening and overnight. Otherwise, we've got clearer skies tonight, which means more sunshine later in the day today, but it also means more frost come the morning. So you'll be scraping the ice off the cars first thing in the morning, and there could be, well, some fog around as well. We'll have some brighter skies, though, following that rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. More sunshine for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland compared with today, and more across England and Wales, I think, compared with today. It's just that flying movement, our weather front. But that easterly wind is kicking in both today and tomorrow. So if you're sheltered from the breeze, the mid-teens will feel quite pleasant in that sunshine. But if you're in the breeze, we'll really notice it. I've been saying all morning, in fact, all weekend, a wind from the east is no good to man nor beast. But with high pressure around this week, at least it'll stay dry for most of us. We've just got that wind to contend with. Where we don't have the wind overnight, frost and fog. But that wind will bring in some colder air. So even with some sunshine and light winds, it's still going to feel colder next week than it has done this week. That's all for me this weekend. Enjoy your Sunday. Roger, back to you.
Helen, thank you. You'll be sorry to know that Naga has left with a cloud of depression hanging over her head.
No. Oh, dear.
Thank you very much.
I tried.
You did. Thanks, Helen.